Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana update today. I think it has been a long time I haven't talked about this one, so let's do it. Number one, let's get into the monthly time frame and check the monthly time frame here. I think that Solana is really failing. It's failing to do one thing, and that is to cross its previous all-time high. It is as if it is making its customer wait for a long period of time before it does so. So you have one rejection move down and another rejection here, and we're still not crossing that to go and continue to the upside. January had a red closing, right? So this is the first red candle, and I think it happened after 3 consecutive months of Q4. You can see that Q4 was amazing for Solana. Q4 is always amazing in crypto, so that is pretty much understandable. Now you've actually made this one red candle, and the red candle suggests that we might actually go just a little bit below the previous red candle, which is $176, and the lowest you can actually go is back to the support of $118, right? So how far can you go if you had to go? That's your answer. How far can you go is to the previous support, which is $120, $118. I'm just going to say 120. So let's get into the daily and let's check how it looks on the daily. So here it is. On the daily, it's much more clear, because that's where you have your one touch, your second touch, your third one, your fourth one, your fifth one. Perfect buying place and area, right? Now there's a little bit of a head and shoulder, which I am noticing, and it's almost like one left shoulder, almost a right shoulder, right? So this looks like a head and shoulder, and if we kind of consider it, then we have this one trend line, ascending neckline, and sooner or later, if you just come down and you try to break below, you could actually see at a fall, and this fall can actually be as nasty as all the way to the downside. So where does this take you? Perfectly down to that trend line. So even this head and shoulder really has a very good reason to be developed. It's almost as if it's connecting everything else. So if it actually takes you down to $124, I think it's a good buying opportunity at $124, and then maybe finally from here climb up and move even from its previous all-time high later down the road. So that's all for the video on Solana. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.